Hello, welcome back to the channel. Summer slowdown is real. I'm also being affected by summer slowdown. As some of you may know or might not know, we also sell on eBay. We have about 4,000, actually almost 5,000 item store. As you can see, oh no, you guys can't see. As you guys can see right here, we have about 5,000 item store. And yeah, we're also feeling the effects of summer slowdown. We're down about, it says 7% here, but overall about 11%. And as you can see, check out some of these dates. Look at this. One day you'll have about 500 in sales, and the next day 127. And that's with 5,000 items. I know a lot of people with a lot more items are feeling the effects of summer slowdown, but look at this, 111. 111, 111. Then you'll have like there's no rhyme or reason. There's no like pattern. I guess you could say for the last maybe 10 days I've been pretty consistent. But not where I sometimes go, but it's consistent. So I'll take it. So right now we have about 20 items I'm going to show you, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I sell. I live in Western PA, what you might call the Rust Belt, which I think is important for some people to know where that person lives in general. I don't have a lot of good thrift stores. I'm about 2 hours away from the bins, about an hour, actually about an hour 40 minutes away from the bins, which I go about once a week, once every other week. So, and I find what I find. My business model is more or less to keep my cost of goods down. My average cost of goods for like the last 6,000 items is about 130 cents. I said 100, $1.30, $1.30. So I go cheap. If I can't find the good stuff, I go cheap. So as you can see right here, one of my items that I sold recently is a pair of faded glory cargo shorts. Now I pick up any kind of cargo shorts. That's kind of what it is. It doesn't matter the brand. I'm picking up cargo shorts. People like cargo, and the fact that they were like this digital camo helped it out. And I think I got 19 for it. That's with shipping included. 19 included. I don't offer free shipping. I'm just giving you guys the total price instead of saying something plus shipping. So all right, so cargo shorts, go for it. Okay, so the next item we have is Terra Sky Maxi Dress, women's 5X. It's a big dress. And we sold this for $26 I got for this dress. This is a Walmart brand. Now this is probably a C. I would give this brand like a C rate brand. At 5X, probably even a little bit higher. If you could find it. But this is a Walmart brand, and I pick up Terra Skies all the time. Now, some of these brands that you guys are going to see, right, going into this list, some of these brands you're going to see, I'm not going to say that you guys should go out there and pick them up like Faded Glory, to go out there and pick up Faded Glory. I would say more look for the style. So the style is what to take from this, not exactly pick up Faded Glory, because I can't guarantee that Faded Glory will sell for you. Okay, it's not that great of a brand overall. Same thing with Terra Sky. It does well if you get it in bigger sizes. I'm not even talking about large. I'm not talking about XL. I'm talking about like 3X, 4X, 5X. With a nice print, as you can see, it should sell. Cool. Next item. Now, this is a bins item because bins is in Pittsburgh, and where I live, we don't find this kind of item. And I got the pretty good price for this one. I got 52 for this. $52. This sold for $52. As you guys, this is a pretty popular brand. As you guys can see, here's the logo right here. Cool resistor pants. Yeah, there we go. I think it had stains too. It did have stains right there. Still sold for 52. There you have it. South Pole. Okay, you guys don't watch what sold, where somebody's telling you they sold South Pole. But there you go. This pattern right here, this sold for $29. $29 somebody paid for this. It went to California. I remember this. I think I shipped it out a couple days ago. And let's see if we could find the patch. There's no real patch for this. Yeah, South Pole graffiti print sold for $29. Once again, I wouldn't say pick up South Pole, just more of the style. So just take in the style. Life Stride. Pumps. Life Stride women's pumps. These sold for $27. So they sold for the asking price plus the shipping. And I know I got these for $1. I usually get Life Strides for $1 if they're in clean condition. So if I can't get a good brand, I will go for style and condition. Actually, I'll say even condition over style. It has to be in good condition for me to pick it up. For it to even sell for what it's gonna sell for. Penn State. Once again, I live in Pennsylvania. Penn State polos. They sell every now and then. It's very saturated over here. A lot of people wear Penn State stuff, but this Penn State polo sold for $19. So that's pretty much 10 plus shipping. I offer $8.99 for shipping. So 10 plus shipping. Got an offer for it, accepted it. I pretty much accept probably 80 to 90% of my offers with no counter offer. Counter offers don't work. Counter offers don't work. Covington. Not telling you to pick up Covington. I'm telling you to pick up corduroys. If you can find corduroys for $1, under $2, I'll pick up corduroys size 6 flare. Covington right here. Sold for $19. 10 plus shipping. So I'll take that all day at my cost of goods. Next we have White Stag. White Stag. White size 16, a bigger size. I always try to pick up the bigger size if I could. It's elastic pull-ons. That's another feature that I definitely would look for when I'm going after the bigger sizes. This sold for $19. So that's 10 plus shipping. Heidi Dress, flare dress. Once again, I don't know the brand, and I don't think, yeah, this was not even like that valuable of a brand. It's just more the style and the print that was on it, which made me pick it up, because I don't know much about women's clothes. That's why I'm learning here, because the logo right there. There we go. Next we have Rockport. I pick up Rockports. They have a niche. They sell, but once again, they don't sell for much. I think this Rockport only sold for $31, which is fair, which is fine. This is pretty much the boat shoes. I sell a lot of Sperry's that look like this, so I decided, you know what? I sell a lot of Sperry's that look like this, Tim's that look like this. I had a defect, took a photo of it, as you guys can see here. Sold for $31. I can't really tell you how long these things been here, cause eBay's weird where when you list something new, the new items will sell, even if the brand is not that great. So there you go. Cloth and Stone. Utility. It says utility pants? Yeah, utility joggers. These sold for, no, not 29. They didn't go for 29. Oh, they actually went for 35. 35 on these right here. Here's the tag. If you guys are not familiar, there goes the tag right there. Tencel. Don't even know what that is. That's the overall picture. So these sold for, I got these once again. These are a bins item. I think they're a pretty decent brand. The joggers. So probably got it for about $1. Barbie Clothes. There you go. Barbie Clothes. This Barbie Clothes sold for $30. Some of these are super valuable if they're vintage. This one is the vintage Barbie Suburban Shopper. And here's the year, 1959 to 1964, dress only. And it sold for $30. This went overseas. I think this went to somebody in London, UK. So there you go. That's sold. Orvis vest. This is a nice corduroy vest, nice corduroy jacket vest, and it's sold for $43. Took an offer, like most of my items sells with an offer. Here's the logo for y'all that don't know. Corduroy extra large. Here's my photo sequence if you guys are interested. Take the tag, the side, the length, the back, and my SKU number. There you go. That's all I take. Next, we have FootJoy golf shoes. I don't think these are spikeless. Spikeless golf shoes. Nice, what is it called? What's this called? Wing tip? Yeah, wing tip. Wing tip pattern here. And it's sold for $50. Got a pretty good price for this one. You know, golf season's coming up right now. Size 11. Now, if you guys saw the video that I put out, I don't know which order these videos are going to come out, but I did the sell-through rate for men's shoes. Just shoes, men's shoes in general. Size 11, size 10, and size 12 are pretty much 100% sell-through rate, regardless of the brand. Regardless of the brand. So this size 11, of course, sold. Spikeless, FootJoy. Check out some of the pictures. Here's the side. Let me make sure I roll down so you guys can see the side. FootJoy. Got the bottoms right there. The logo. There you have it. Donna Butchman. This sold pretty much automatically. It sold within 2 hours for $48. And it's a regular. Hold on, let me back up here. It's a, let me see, you guys could see it right there. It's a regular blazer. I don't know much about the brand. The lady picked this one up. And yeah, it sold very, very fast. It's a Donna Bushman blazer jacket, women's size 6, which is not big, but it is 100% silk, so maybe the 100% silk has something to do with it. There you go, right there. And that was a flaw, but it sold automatically. One of my favorite brands to pick up, J. Jill linen pants. These used to sell for more, a lot more. Listen, the prices of everything on eBay for the most part have came down since I've been doing this in like 2017. Things have came down significantly. I used to get about $30 for J. Jill linen, and I got, well, $30 for this one also. So I guess I lucked out. I guess somebody bought it for full accent price. I lucked out on this one. So J. Jill capris linen blend, size 10. Might be a little faded too. It might just be that's how linen is. Oh, it's not. Yeah, it's linen blend. I thought it was 100% linen, but linen blend. So there you have it. Next we have SAS. I pick up all SAS. I love selling SAS, but I can't find the men's. The men's sell pretty much automatically. Like literally within a week, the men's will sell. But this is the women's SAS Romer comfort shoes, size 9, flats. If you guys don't know, there's the logo. No, there's no logo. That's a size. But yes, SAS. Let's see. You guys can see it right here. Yeah. So SAS sold for how much? Is it? $35. Used to get more for these, but $35. Not too bad. Not too bad. Next, we have a vintage yellow. I said yellow. Hello Kitty purse. This actually sat, I'm not gonna say for too long, probably like 6 months, and I sold this for $66. And I think it had a major, not exactly like a major, but I know it had a stain in this one. There it goes. You see the marks right there? Yeah, so we're gonna check it out. Had a mark right down here, right there, staying right there, another mark right here, If it was in perfect condition, I could have got 100 for this one. But there you go. Hello Kitty. Look out for Hello Kitties. Anything Hello Kitty, pick it up. Next we have George. So we sold some Faded Glory, George, Terra Sky, all Walmart brand. These sold for 18, 10 plus shipping. Pretty much that's my idea when I pick up items. Everything's gonna sell for around 10 plus shipping, because that's the price people like. If not 10 plus shipping, they're gonna give you 15 plus shipping. Very rarely do I sell regular clothes for 20 plus shipping. So it doesn't happen. There you go. George, Walmart brand. Not much to say. I'm not gonna even say pick it up. Maybe pick it up for the pattern. The pattern is okay. BKE cargo shorts. Once again, I pick up all cargo shorts, but BKE is a pretty good brand, especially in men's jeans. These sold for 36, and it was new with tags too. Probably could have got more. They sold fairly fast, but I'll take 36 for these. So there you go. So now you guys take a peek to what I kind of sell, my items. How's my store doing? It's going all right. I can't really complain. I just keep building it day by day. All right, that's pretty much what I could do. I have 5,000 items right now. I have enough space where I live to go to 10,000 items, which is my goal. So there you have it. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. I'm out.